Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Today I wanted to share a quick Hobby Lobby clearance haul. They get me every time. So I went to two Hobby Lobbies and it's all mixed in now, but these cute baby stickers that were 74 cents and a couple different types because I have a whole bunch of baby papers for me to make my albums with, and they're just so cute. 74 cents, so fun. And I picked up this Indigo and Ivy pink paisley paper pad. It was $1.74. And this pink paisley Bloom Street, really cute summer fun colors, for $2.24. And I totally stocked up on these paper kits. I'm sure that if you've been in the store, you've seen that they originally were $9.99. $5.99 is the new price, and the clearance that I got them at is $1.49. I have seen a lot of videos where people are actually getting them for 99 cents. It's such a great deal for everything you get in there. Stickers, alphas, more stickers, and then I think 12 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. So I got the baseball one and this really pretty stargazer one. The papers are really fun. And watercolor girls. I mean, when you think about all the stuff that's in these packs and how inexpensive they are, it's an amazing deal. Fab and Fearless. Stickers, alphas. Vintage Varsity. And I personally prefer kits because it's just easier for me to make stuff when everything matches. And then if I need more stuff, I could just go through my stash with like this whole kit to kind of get the color scheme. Terrace Blooms is really pretty. So I'm very fortunate. I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and there are Hobby Lobbies everywhere. Like I could probably hit 10 of them in no time, but I didn't. I went to two because I know I'm gonna come out of there with tons of stuff. And I just put a poll up on my YouTube channel asking about if you like to craft or if you like to buy the stuff, hoard it, organize it, and take it out and reorganize it again. That's me. I mean, I like to craft, but it seems like I really just like buying the stuff, looking at it, putting it in a bag, finding that bag, opening that bag, and getting all excited like all over again. This is a nautical one. This is one of my favorites. I really like nautical things. And this pink passport, and I think last Hobby Lobby clearance I got this paper pad on clearance, so I'll add that paper pad to this so that I have them together. And I think I did this one too. So yeah guys, that's my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. I want to go back to look at the dies, but I have so many dies I don't even use them. So I'm really trying to hold out. I don't know. I may end up there. I'm not sure. But I hope you guys got some really good clearance deals. I love watching these hauls. That's what makes me go. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.